I'm attorney Neil Schaus, and I represent victims who are injured or killed when they get struck by a police car. Every year, this happens to thousands of innocent drivers and pedestrians. People often ask me, if I get hit by a police car, who is responsible? Who can I sue in this situation? The answer is that we can often sue the individual officer who was driving, the police agency, the city, or the county. Sometimes, if the police officer was chasing a suspect, we can also go after the suspect for creating the hazard. In many of these cases, we find that the police officer is speeding and driving recklessly, but not even responding to an emergency. He may be late for a lunch date and just taking advantage of the fact that he has a patrol car. Sometimes we find that the police officer was rushing to a call, but didn't bother to put on his sirens and overhead lights. And sometimes we find that the police are outright reckless as the suspects they are chasing. They speed through heavy traffic, they run red lights, they blow through intersections, and they drive the wrong way into oncoming traffic. Of course, it's important for police to respond to emergencies and apprehend suspects, but it's also important to respect the safety of innocent people in the crossfire. And when that does not happen, that's where we come in. If you or a loved one has been injured or killed by a police car, we invite you to call us here at Las Vegas Defense Group. We can help you to get compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and oftentimes punitive damages.